Hi guys! Narito muli ang ating Barda. So napanood nyo ba yung interview ni Miss Dali kay Barbie? Narito yung ilang mga kasagutan sa tanong kung handa na ba siyang umibig muli.
Umibig muli? Ang lalim ng tanong, parang parang
yes.
teledrama.
Yes.
Well, you don't plan naman those things.
Yes, we don't po. We don't plan those things. Pero, maybe now, I realize it's not about being ready to be in love or to fall in love again. It's really fully loving yourself first. Kasi, feeling ko naman, pag nasa tamang posisyon ka na sa buhay, the right person will attract. Parang makaka-attract ka ng tamang tao. So,
You
it's
would
not about
just be ready, willing, and able, di ba?
Yes, I'm not pushing myself to be ready. I'm really just enjoying.
Pero I'm sure ang dami nakaabang dyan.
Mga 36.
Ang 36?
Kasi, nagkaan
Grabe
yung stylist
naman
ko.
yung
Parang wala naman. Parang eme-eme ka naman, Barbie.
Ang 36 ang nakaabang. Naku, ano
Joke lang po. Hindi, wala po. Hindi ko
In
totoo yun.
alphabetical order ba to? Or chronological order? Or according to height? Papunta tayo sa friendship mo with David Licauco. So how special is it na it makes it different from the rest of your male actors or even yung mula sa showbiz sa male friends mo?
Friendship with David is definitely different kasi sa trabaho namin, ang ginagawa namin, pang-jowa po eh.
Oo, barda.
Yeah, so yun
Sige,
pa lang
sige.
sets him apart from all my other male friends like si Derek, si Christopher, si Alden, yung mga twins po. Kasi hindi naman kami nagsusweet-sweetan, diba? So with David, merong conscious effort kasi part ng trabaho namin na maging sweet sa isa't isa, ganyan. So siguro yung level of care, I would say, iba. Kasi yung sa kanya, mas parang, I feel like the way he cares for me and the way I care for him is more delicate.
He's also single. Or nagkataon naman na sabay kayong single. No? Hindi nyo naman plano yun. Coincidence lang.
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Ayun siguro po yung level of care and yung support, ganyan. Pero bukod po doon, I think David is really good person to be around with and he's really good with advices.
So ano yung advices sa'yo? Or finalo mo ba yung advice niya? Kasi it's a different thing, di ba?
To ask for it and to really do it.
Gagawa ko pa yun. Like, may advice ba si David sa'yo? Like, healing a broken heart, moving on.
Ano ba? Siguro payaman ka muna.
Sobrang yaman.
As a businessman.
Sino mas mayaman sa'yo?
Oo, ganyan. So,
Mabibili na yung love na yan later on, payaman muna tayo.
Actually, more than love advice, ang mga nakukuha ko talaga sa kanya, advice about starting a business. He really wants me
He really has business acumen.
yes, explore na mag-business. Mas yun talaga siya.
So talagang friendship, walang mali siya at all.
Wala po. But you really do care for each other. It's
Yeah, and it shows.
May announce na. Pero meron na, may date na kami, definitely. May date na kami ni... charot, joke lang. Hindi. At tatawa ka, Aromel, ha? May date na yung premiere night. Kayo naman, para kayong ano dyan.